Welcome to my channel RK International Academy. In this lecture, I will discuss a competitive programming problem of binary tree. Find mirror image of a binary tree. Let's see how's the input and what will be the output. This is a tree, binary tree. And this is a binary tree, and this will be our input. And the output will be output will be inverse of input binary tree. And so let's see how the problem we should crack this problem and what will be the crux. Here first we will see if the root is null or not. Then we will traverse like level wise. It's before lecture I have discussed the level order traversal, so if you didn't see that, so go through it. Also I will explain here how the level order works. And then we will swap the left and right. First we will traverse the level order. And for level order we use a queue data structure. This is a queue. First we will insert our root node. Then we will pop it, and then we will insert the 2 and 3. Then we will make a loop until the root is not null, until the queue is null. We will pop it, and then after popping it, also that we will check if its left and right is null or not. If not null, then we also insert the left of that node first, then right, and again we will pop out the next until the queue is empty. So we will pop out from 3, and then we will check if there is any child of 3. If yes, so then we will first go to left, then we will go to right. Now here left is null, this left node is null, so we will go to right and insert 6. So after that, then we will again inserting the 6, we will again go to the loop. The queue isn't empty, and 4 will be pop out, and then 5, and then 6, and this will be our level order. First 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the mirror of this input will be 1, 3 2 6 5 and 4. So this will be our mirror. So what can we do here to make mirror? We can make that left and right, we can swap this. 2 will be placed at 3 and 3 will be placed at 2, so that it can swap and make a place where 3 will be left and 2 will be right. Then we can also make the same here. Left and right of 3 will be swap here, so it will go to 6 and 5, and also because of 2 is at right, inverse of this, so this will be like this. So we'll just swap the left and right node. So let's see the pseudocode. I will not write the level order pseudocode. I just give the hint and a little explain how this is work using the queue structure. So I will just write down the pseudocode for pseudocode for mirror. So first we will check if the root is equal to null, then return nothing, else we will first go to left, we will go to left and then go to right. This is the root of left and this is the root of right, and we just swap this. Swap the root of left and then swap and root of right, and just return this. So this is our mirror image of a binary tree. First, what we have done, first there is 2 step will be here. First is level order, then we will make the swap. This is the two thing.